Hello my dear friend, happy to see you again. Today we're going to make some tiramisu. How exciting is that? Oh, I know. Come on, let's make some. 1 egg yolk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on your taste, you can add extra or less. Little bit cocoa powder, Almond Italian biscuit. You can use ladyfinger Italian biscuit too. Italian mascarpone cheese. This is filter coffee or you can use espresso. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix egg yolk, sugar and vanilla together. Add mascarpone into the bowl and mix it well for 1 minute. My dear friends, the cream is ready. Let's go and do the next step. I'll use my hands because it's getting a little messy. Now keep the tiramisu in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours. Dear friends, the tiramisu is ready. Let's design with cocoa powder. Let's cut and toast together. Wow, my dear friends, this is amazing. I love it. Try this. It's super duper yummy, my friend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell.